All right, it's that time of year again for homemade ice cream. So we're getting out the nostalgia ice cream maker. So this we keep in the box. This is how it comes though. So this you have an idea of what all's in the box and how it can collapse down for storage. The motor has a 2-prong outlet, and that's up top with its gear here. It's got a flat top, so it's kind of handy. You can set it down like that. The inside part, we'll just use this one. This is the new one. We have a couple of these, but this is what they come like when they're brand new. And this is where the ice cream gets made, right? This is an aluminum pot so that the heat goes right through it, or the cold goes right through it, however you want to think of it. You got the paddle, which is going to scrape the stuff. So essentially it's cold out here, and the ice cream mix is in here. The motor turns this and scrapes where it's trying to freeze against the aluminum. All of that happens inside of this bucket. There's some manuals and stuff in here. All this happens inside this bucket, which is essentially an insulated bucket. You fill it with ice. This is going to go in there. There's an adapter here and a cover that's going to go on the top. And then your motor comes in, attaches to the motor. The motor snaps into the bucket, and now you can put some salt and some ice around this outside area. Your ice cream, 4 quarts of ice cream, are going to get made in that internal part there. And instead of doing the old hand churning like we did in the old days, we would have done this by hand. Now you've got the motor to take care of it for you. It's a lot of fun to make homemade ice cream, and of course the flavors are unmatched because you get to choose exactly what you want and what combinations you want. So I hope that answers what's in the box and how you use the old-fashioned ice cream makers. Start a tradition of your own.